How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, we're gonna do something on the windshield and all the glass throughout the car. I have new products and I'm gonna test them out. I know they work because I saw a couple reviews just to see how good the product was. It's pretty good, so I'm gonna show you how to seal your glass. And this is gonna help you, so it's gonna preserve your windshield wipers, and plus when it rains, this one is gonna let the water just go without you using your wipers a lot, so you're gonna have better visibility and your windshield is gonna stay cleaner. This is a brand new bottle. You can find it on Amazon. I'm gonna put it on the description. But before we seal the glass, we're gonna use GRIOT'S Speed Shine with clay bar. Have clay bar, GRIOT'S, Sealant, applicator pads, and for these products I'm gonna have links on the description if you wanna go get them. So first thing, you have to make sure that your glass is not hot, that it's not in the sun, it's cold, because I'm gonna show you in a minute what this product does. So we have here a new clay bar. I'm gonna clay the windshield with the Speed Shine. This is really good. It's a good lubricant to clay bar your windshield and keep it clean. And after that, we're gonna use the glass sealant with the applicator pads. So on the directions, it's gonna tell you everything here, how to follow the directions. Make sure that your glass is clean. You're gonna have to put two coats. First coat, you're gonna let it haze on the glass, and then second coat, make sure that you do it with microfiber towel or applicators. So make sure that you follow the directions. They're right here. Okay, so let's grab the clay bar. I'm just probably gonna use half. Save some for later, maybe for my RAV4. So we have the clay bar here, ready to go. And we're gonna put some Speed Shine on the windshield and get everything out of it. And just for reference, guys, I'm just gonna do half of the windshield. This half on the driver's side, I'm gonna do it right now so you can see the difference when we start throwing water at the windshield. We're gonna see how the water reacts with and without the sealer. See that, guys? That's just from the windshield. Now that we did the clay bar, let's clean it and get it ready for the glass sealer. The windshield feels really smooth now. Just put some more on the pad, and then we can go side to side. Okay, after that's done, we're just gonna wait until it haze on the windshield. And now we're gonna do the second application. Do not remove the first one. We have to wait until it dried out, and then we can apply the second time. And when you apply the second time, you do the same thing. Now that it's applied 2 times, we're gonna let it dry to haze again, and then we can remove with the microfiber towel, and then we're gonna do a water test to see how it works. Okay guys, so now the windshield is dry to a haze. Let's grab a microfiber towel and buff it off. Remove everything, all the residues, get them out. Okay guys, so we have the hose here. First step that we're gonna do, we're gonna spray a little mist into the windshield and let's see how it reacts. Yeah, you can tell on that side all the water stays on the windshield, and on this side it's coming right out. Now let's do shower like it's pouring rain. Yeah, everything came out. So if you can see on this side, all the water came out. On that side, the water stays on the windshield. You see this side right here, everything stays on the windshield. So guys, that's all it is to seal your glass. And after you finish sealing your glass, make sure that you clean your wiper blades, because what's the point of doing all that to your glass when your wiper blades are gonna be all dirty? See that? And you're gonna have a very clean windshield and wiper blades. They're gonna work a lot better. Don't forget that at the end. So if you have any questions guys, please comment down below and I'm gonna be happy to help. Once again guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.